I would like to talk about concrete laboratory practical 4, the slump test. The main objective of this test is to determine the workability of concrete mixture. The theory behind this test is the function of slump test is to provide a simple method of controlling or detecting variation in the uniformity of a mix. Under the BS 1881, there are 3 methods to test the workability of concrete mixture. This method gives the indication of the quality of concrete with respect to consistency, cohesiveness, and the proneness to segregation. The workability of concrete alone cannot assure the quality because it depends on the compacting method, either by hand or vibrator. The apparatus used in this test is a frustum cone and a base plate 2x2, and float used to level exactly the mold at the top, a scoop, a 600mm long steel rod, and a steel ruler to measure the height of the slump.
Okay, for the working method, first, before commencing the test, the plate base and inner surface of the mold is wiped with a damp cloth. Second, the slump cone is placed centrally on the plate with the small opening facing upward. Third, the slump cone is filled with concrete in 3 layers. Each layer tamped lightly 25 times with steel rod in definite pattern, working from outside into the middle. 4. Top up the cone till it overflows. Level off the surface with the steel rod using a rolling action. 5. Clean off the plate before base from any of concrete excess. 6. The cone is slowly raised vertically by the handles and allowed to fall in 5 to 10 seconds. 7. The slump is measured by using the ruler. Difference in level between the height of the mold and that of the highest point is subsided concrete. 8. All slump must be measured and recorded. If the sample slumping still persists due to shear or collapse, the test should be repeated. If the slump still persists, measure the height and the type of the slump. 9. Or last, repeat the above procedure by using different water cement ratio. After we doing this slump test, the concrete slump that we got is true slump. As you can see, the picture that I have put it on in the video. Okay, next, for the concrete proportion ratio, for our group we got 1:4 and the next one is 1:6. For the slump we got 2 types, which is first one is 0.6 and the next one is 0.8. For the ratio 1:4, the cement is 1, sand is 2, and the aggregate is 4. For the ratio 1:6, cement is 1, sand is 3, and aggregate is 6. As you can see, the calculation that we have doing.
Okay, for the discussion of this test, from the result of this test, we know that the height of the concrete has decreased by 16mm, which is a true slump. The slump concrete take various shape and according to the profile of slump concrete. The slump is termed as true slump, shear slump, or collapse slump. If the result of slump is shear slump or collapse slump, we need to repeat the test again to get the best slump. If we put too much water, it tends to collapse slump. Last but not least, we do this test to get a true slump, which is the quality concrete. Okay, for the conclusion, we must put all the material in the perfect level to get the perfect concrete. We cannot be careless in this test because it will affecting the texture or quality of the concrete. As we can see, if we overput the material such as water, the concrete will be collapsed, and we must to remake the slump test to get the perfect one.